So in this TradingView tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to explore futures here on the TradingView application. So the first thing you have to do is open up TradingView. Once that is done, just go down to the bottom, press on Explore located between Charts and Ideas, press on Explore. Then go to the top here where it says Overview. If you want to explore futures, simply slide this bar at the top all the way to the right until you come across futures right here, located between Forex and bonds. Press on Futures. Now where it says futures right here, you can just simply go ahead and explore. There's gold, there's silver, there's copper, there's platinum, there's WTI crude oil, there's gas, gasoline, heating oil, etc. You can kind of view that at your disposal. You can also view the news flow as well. There's energy futures right here. There's metal futures right here. Basically, all the info that you're looking for in regards to exploration is right here on this Explore tab in regards to futures. So super simple, super straightforward, but that is how to explore futures here on the TradingView application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.